2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This truck makes room for the whole family. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including four-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning. This is a top-rated dealer. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.